and gentlemen, please welcome your host.
Hey everyone, how's everyone doing today? I can hear you. Are you excited?
Welcome, everyone. Every voice deserves to be heard. Every answer deserves a story.
And I am your host, Jasmine. Welcome to Stressless Study Best Just Amazing Talk Show.
And I'm Rosaline, your host on a talk show where we can turn pressure into perspective and every conversation into a lesson.
Let's begin by talking about something that every student has almost experienced or we often experience, and that is academic stress. Have you ever stayed up all night finishing assignments, projects, and other school tasks? Or felt nervous before an exam and always constantly checking your grades, thinking they might mysteriously goes up?
Yes.
Then today's discussion is just for you.
To help us understand this issue, we've invited four students who are willing to share their personal experiences. And later, we'll hear from a guidance counselor who will give us advice. So without further delay, please welcome our first batch of guests with a big round of applause.
Very neat.
Thank you for inviting us today. We're really happy to be here.
It's our pleasure to have you here. Please help us.
Ready na ba kayo? Ano? Tara? Being aside, what do you guys felt that you are invited in our talk show today?
Why sad?
Okay, thank you for that response. And first, Cyril, what does academic stress means to you?
For me, academic stress is the pressure I feel because of school requirements, such as quizzes, projects, research, and examinations. Sometimes everything is scheduled in the same week, making it overwhelming.
I completely agree with you. Many students can really relate to that. Ashton, what is your opinion? What does academic stress mean to you?
For me, academic stress is a feeling of constantly worry about deadlines, grades, and meeting expectations from my teachers, family, and even myself. Sometimes I lost sleep, became anxious, and have difficulty concentrating. There are also days when I feel exhausted and burnout.
Thank you for sharing that honestly. It's really important for students to know that they are not alone. They are not alone when they are facing academic stress. Friends, when you're experiencing academic stress, what do you usually do?
I make a to-do list, listen to music, take short breaks, talk to my friends, and sometimes just do nothing. I let my mind and body relax. Those things help me stay calm and organized.
That's a great suggestion. Those are excellent ways to do. Thank you for sharing your experience. Thank you, friends. And now, let's hear from our first student guest. For you, Princess, what motivates you to keep going even when academic stress becomes difficult?
Whenever I feel stressed, I remind myself of my goals and the people who support me. I also tell myself that it's okay not to be perfect. Instead of giving up, I try my best, learn from my mistakes, and move forward one step at a time.
It's very inspiring. Having a positive mindset and remembering your goals can really help students feel motivated and despite the pressure.
Thank you for having us.
You're welcome.
We hope our experience helped you.
Remember that you're never alone in facing academic stress.
Keep believing in yourself. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goals.
Thank you very much to all of our wonderful guests. Have a nice day.
Stay on your seat and we'll be right back.
Puti ito.
Mas puti ito.
mahimong presko o kumpiyansa. Ito sa urag, bukaw pa. Kung gamitan na ang presko tawas. Sa kapahit, presko ang Let's go back to brought to you by Friends Right.
Welcome back, students! Are you still there? And now, may we invite our guidance counselor, Miss Ising, to join us on stage. A round of applause, please.
Now, let's move to another important part of our discussion. I'd like to hear from Miss Ising, our guidance counselor. Miss Ising, would you share some practical ways students can manage academic stress?
Certainly, students should learn how to manage their time wisely, get enough rest, and never hesitate to ask for help when needed. Remember, taking good care of your mental health is as important as getting good grades.
Could you explain that a little more? How does asking for help reduce stress?
When students share their concern with trusted teachers, friends, family members, they often feel supported. Problems become easier to manage because they are no longer facing them alone.
So, if I understood correctly, asking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Is that right?
Yes, exactly. Students should never be afraid to seek support.
Before we end our discussion, we'd like to hear from our audience. Does anyone have a question for our guest, Miss Ising?
Yes, I have a question for Ms. Ising. What should a student do if they already feel very overwhelmed with schoolwork and don't know where to start?
That's a very good question. My advice is to start with one task at a time instead of doing everything at once. Make a simple schedule, prioritize the most important tasks, and never hesitate to ask your teachers, classmates for guidance if you need help. Remember, taking small steps is still progress.
Thank you for that wonderful question, and thank you, Miss Ising, for helpful advice.
We hope everyone learned something valuable from today's discussion. And now, for our final moment, may we invite all our guests here on stage. Before we end our discussion, we want to have our guests to have a challenge. And that challenge is TikTok Dance Challenge. A round of academic stress is something many students experience, but it doesn't have to control our lives.
We also learned that managing our time, taking care of our health, and asking for help are healthy ways to overcome stress.
And always remember, your grades are important, but your health and well-being are more even important.
Thank you to our guests, our audience, and everyone watching.
And I am your host, Jasmine.
And I'm Rosaline.
And this is Just Amazing Talk Show. Until next time,
Stay positive, stay healthy, and always remember,
stress less, study best.
thank you everyone. Have a nice day.